Hello, my name is Darien Fiorino and I am a member of the Yara arts group. I'm going to read a poem by the Ukrainian poet Serhiy Zhadan titled, I Imagine How a Bird Sees This, translated by Wanda Phipps and Virlana Tkacz. I imagine how a bird sees this, dark river branch and winter rooftops, and the scattered pedestrians on the sidewalks. I imagine how frightening it is for birds to fly over a river. They always see the city from above, the depot behind the station, the yards, the library on the other side of the river, and the discarded pages in the streets. They repeat this February poem. They know it from the entrance gate to the attic. They know where it will culminate and also what will be the end. Treading over the soil like treading over lines on a face, fish gather in the Donetsk River. On the horizon, a dark tinge will flow down. There will be joy. There will be reeds. It's important to find warmth among people, to love winter's bombardments, the barely perceptible breath of the soil, its seal. You have to shout about this. And so they shout.